Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be using the Chemical Guys foam cannon. When you buy this thing, it's a kit. Basically, you can buy all kinds of accessories, but the basic kit comes with these two. You're going to get a gallon of the concentrate Honeydew or whatever flavor you choose. Honeydew is the one I got. It's really nice. And then basically you're going to get this nice little spray nozzle. I broke the original container, so it actually screws on a normal container, but we're going to be using this. You hook it to your pressure washer. It does have a quick connect here, and this little knob dials determines how much and how concentrated the spray of foam comes out, just like any pressure washer where you have different nozzles. We are going to go wash the car. Now, the directions on this say spray it on, let it set for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. But I use this. I like to wipe it around because some of that built-on dust and dirt doesn't always come off if you just spray on and rinse off. So we are going to wash it around a little bit. All right, so take a look at this car before we get started. I'm not sure you can actually see that real clear, but this thing, it's dirty, it's dusty, it's got some dirt and grime on it. We're going to spray this and make it look beautiful. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get the power washer started. We're going to put our 25-degree nozzle on, and then we're going to get the car wet. All right, so we're going to pop off our nozzle. And like I said, this fits right on the quick connect, and we're ready to foam. We're going to spray it with foam it up, let it set for 4 or 5 minutes or so. Then we're going to put the nozzle back on, the 25-degree nozzle, and we're going to rinse it off. Then after rinsing, I bought this separately, but these are pretty nice little squeegees. I just squeegee most of the water off. Then I'm going to towel dry this thing, and after we towel dry it, the Chemical Guys say you don't have to wax it. And I'm going to have to agree, you don't have to, because it does have a beautiful shine afterwards. But I bought this last coat. This stuff is amazing. So we're just going to put a coat of this on, basically spray on, wipe off. It actually puts a nice finish on. The water beads up real nice. So that's how we're going to do it. All right, so that's all there is to it. Chemical Guys Honeydew spray. Like I said, you don't have to wax, but I did with the last coat because this stuff will do all right, but once you put the last coat on, that water beads up on your hood, on your window. You can actually use it on your windows, but check them out. I put links to both down in the description. Appreciate you tuning in. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping.